Okay, thanks for visiting my channel, and I'm trying to do my best to share something, especially for those people who got low, not only low, but very low immune system. Why? Because if you will cultivate the soil or the earth, and you have a very low or weak immune system, be very careful because you might get Pseudomonas bacteria. And this bacteria is very dangerous to your lungs, to your health, and it will cause you breathing problem. Not only that, lung infection, and as the time goes by, it becomes worse. Look at what happened to my garden. So many tall grasses, and even my tomatoes there, the back. I will try to plant it, and I got this plum, sweet green plum. This was, I planted it when I moved here, year 2018. And there is another one near that fence. So this is almost 4 years now, comes July. But they said that by 4 or 5 years, this will bear fruit. So that is the situation, my friend. It's good to do gardening, but you need to be mindful of your health. And that's my neighbor's garden too. And the grasses are tall and cannot mend or cut because of his health problem. So this is why, my friend, my advice to you is always wear face masks when you're cultivating the soil because it will protect you from Pseudomonas bacteria. Although specialist says you can get Pseudomonas bacteria from soil and from water, but just take good care of yourself because it's so hard to have that bacteria. The uh, the simple antibiotics won't react and get rid of that because you will need ciprofloxacin, you will need doxycycline, you will need azithromycin, nebulizers, plus oxygen at home, just to get rid of that Pseudomonas bacteria and to make your lungs strong again. This is why my advice to you now, my friend. Take good care. Always have your doctors check your condition, your lungs. If you got that low immune system, better to use face mask to protect you. That's when you're cultivating the soil. At the moment, I've got strawberry there, I've got potatoes there, and also I got lots of potatoes at the back of this plum tree. But I will plant more runner beans and also strawberry, God willing. This is why we need always to not only to take care of our garden, but to take care of ourselves. It is good if you live in United Kingdom because the government will help you through the NHS, which is the uh, national health services. But I think if you live in America, it is too expensive for your hospital care unless you've got your insurance. This is why, my friend, my advice to you, not only to take good care of your garden, but to take good care of yourself. I'm pleading to you because this is not easy when you got that bacteria in your lungs. And my prayer is that may this serve you a warning and also serves you that you need to take care of yourself. It's not stopping you to do gardening. But what I'm trying to say is that you need to always use face masks. Same as you're protecting yourself against that COVID virus. Now here I think there's a problem regarding monkey pox. But anyway, here I think virus isolation is 5 days. But the monkeypox is 21 days. This is why during these last days, we need to take good care of ourselves. We need to find time to know God. Because anything happens to you, you know where will you go. Whether to heaven, to be with the Lord, or to be separated from Him eternally. This is why my garden was titled as outdoor gardening in God's way. Because if you cannot afford to water your plants, all you need to do is just gather all those grasses and do the mulching, spread it on the soil. When you spread it on the soil, it is like in the forest. The forest, you can see that no one is watering the trees in the forest. And how come that it grows? And no one cares but only God. This is why we can apply it by mulching. You can use dried grasses, dried trees, leaves, even newspapers, and everything that you can use to cover your soil or the earth. Because once you cover it, it retains the wet of your soil and the trees will grow, the plants, the vegetables, whatever you planted it there, even you go on holiday, so that when you return back, you can still enjoy the fruits of your labor. We call it by mulching. This is why I want you also to visit Back to Eden gardening by fall. And I believe you will be blessed because he will tell you on how he do the mulching, and that's a secret that how he had beautiful fruits like apples, grapes, plums, cherries, everything. Even pomegranates. Pom- Pomegranates. That's come from Israel. You got that fruits too. Again, my friend, thanks for visiting my channel. And also thank you for subscribing. And also thank you for clicking the notification so that every time I post it, you will be the first to watch my video. Again, thanks a lot and God bless. Bye for now. I will show you later my garden. Thanks for subscribing. This is Simon. Bye for now. God bless.